How to animate AI videos like this using just your phone. My friends, check out these videos I animated. You're going to love it. Let's watch it first before I teach you how to create it.
These are for you.
Wow! Thank you!
You're so thoughtful.
This is fun!
Absolutely.
Cooking together is the best.
Let's keep this tradition.
I wrote about today.
Always together.
Now, let me teach you how to generate videos like this using this free platform I just found. Okay, now go to your ChatGPT because we're going to be creating our script first. Okay, you can just pause and read this prompt, then use it to create your own prompt. Okay, I don't want this video to be too long, that's why I don't want to read it. So I just told ChatGPT to create a family story for me, a lovely family story, and ChatGPT did just that. I told it to give me the image prompt, the video prompt, dialogue with different camera angles, the emotions. Okay, so that was just basically what I told ChatGPT to do, and as you can see, it gave me the image prompt, it gave me the dialogue scenes, it gave different camera angles. As you can see, it gave emotions, it gave dialogue for the 5 scenes that it generated for me. So I read it and I'm okay. Now let's create our image prompt. Just copy the image prompt for scene 1. We're going to be creating our image with Gemini app. I don't want us to use ChatGPT because I'm not subscribed to ChatGPT app, and you can only create 3 pictures a day if you're not subscribed. So let's just go to Gemini where we can create a lot of images. Okay, so now I copied the prompt for scene 1, the image prompt, and I went to Gemini and I pasted it. Once you just paste the image prompt, you just tap on the arrow to generate it, and immediately your image would get generated. Then you save it into your phone. Now let's create the image for scene 2. You go back to ChatGPT, copy the image prompt for scene 2, go back to your Gemini app, paste it and generate the image. So this is how you are going to generate the images for all your story scenes. Okay, once you have generated all your image, before you can now start creating your video. So I had to generate the remaining image for the remaining scenes of camera, so this video will not be too long. Now look at the 5 images I generated using this same method I taught you guys. You can see how beautiful, clean and clear it is. Now to create your video, go to your browser and type wizstar.com. Okay, it's open to this interface for you, Wizstar. Now you can look at how beautiful the interface it is. It has video reference, video translation, it has lip sync, and it has video generator. It also has product to video. So once you have signed it into this interface, make sure you sign in with your email. Without signing, log in with any email of your choice. Okay, now I have to quickly sign in. Now just go through the interface to see what it does. Now we're going to be making use of the video generator. Okay, this is video reference, there's lip sync, there's video translation, but we are using this video generator. You tap on it and to open into this video space for you. You see image to video and text to video. We already have our image, so we're going to be doing image to video. Okay, look at this place here, they wrote add start frames. That's where we're going to be adding the images we generated. Okay, look at the prompt section, that's where we're going to copy the dialogue prompt. Okay, now see this place they wrote add frame. You're going to tap on that place to add your image. We're going to start with scene 1 image, okay, because we're creating scene 1 video. So you tap on it, you see photo library, take photos and choose file. You select the photo for scene 1. Okay, the image we generated for scene 1 is going to load. Once it's load, you're going to paste the dialogue prompt for scene 1. Okay, you go back to ChatGPT, you copy the prompt. You're going to copy both the camera angles, the emotions and the dialogues together. So once you copy this whole thing for the video, you're going to go back to the platform and paste it in this prompt section. Okay, once you paste it, you're going to scroll down. You will see where they wrote Kling 3.0 Omni. You tap on it to see the different AI models that they have. Now they have Kling, they have Seedance 1.5 and Seedance 2.0. Okay, they have different AI models. You can just go through them to see the one you like. Okay, I tried using Kling out, I've tried Seedance 1.5, I've tried Seedance 2.0. They are very lovely. Okay, so you can just use anyone you like. Once you're done, you scroll down, you select your aspect ratio, you select the duration. You can select up to 15 seconds. As you can see, I selected 10 seconds. Then you select your resolution. Okay, then you move, you select the output you want. If it's 1 video, 2 video. Okay, I'm okay with 1 video, so I selected one output. Then you see generate here. Okay, I'm going to tap on that generate if you want to generate your video. Okay, so now that I'm done selecting all I needed, I just tapped on generate to generate my video, and immediately my video started generating. It not even take up to 1 minute. Your video is going to get
Daddy, don't
generated,
forget
and
this.
It's just for you to save it into your phone and we are good to go.
Daddy, don't forget this.
Thank you, sweetheart.
She always remembers.
Look at how beautiful that video is. Now let's generate the scene 2 video. You go over to the add to start frames, tap on it, select the image you created for your next scene, which is scene 2. So I selected the image, it's loaded. Once it's loaded, you go back to your ChatGPT to copy the dialogue scene for scene 2. Okay, so you copy both your camera angles, emotions and dialogue, copy everything together because we want different camera angles, we want the video to have different emotions, okay, and we want the dialogue to be very smooth. So that's why we're copying everything together. So you go back to the platform, paste it in prompt section. Okay, once you paste it, you select your AI model. If you want Kling, Seedance 1.5 or Seedance 2.0. Once you select it, you select your aspect ratio, select your duration, select your resolution. Okay, then you're going to select the output you want. If you want one video, you select one output. If you want 2 videos, you select 2 outputs. Okay, me, I'm okay with 1 video, that's why it's in one output. Then you tap on generate to generate your video, and immediately your video will get generated. Then you save it into your phone. It's just as easy as this. Okay,
Aw, thank you. I love my family.
you can see how natural, how beautiful and how realistic that video is. You can feel the emotions, you can see the different camera angles. Okay, that's why it's good to have a good prompt. So just pause my prompt and go through it. So you follow this same process I taught you to generate the other videos for the remaining scenes. Okay, I had to generate the remaining videos off camera, so this video will not be too long. Now let's watch the video.
These are for you.
Wow! Thank you!
You're so thoughtful.
This is fun.
Absolutely.
Cooking together is the best.
Let's keep this tradition.
I wrote about today.
Always together.
You can see how simple this step-by-step tutorial is. Now do well to recreate yours, and if you have any question concerning this tutorial or any other tutorial I've done in the past, do well to drop it in the comment section and trust me to answer. Okay, now don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Okay, thank you all for watching my video. See you in our next tutorial class. I love you all. Toodles.